Hello and welcome to Exclamation's Dream, Vision and Mindscapes conference. My name is Alisha and I'm an assistant English editor for Exclamation this year, and I'm also a master's student at the University of Exeter, studying English Studies, Criticism and Theory. My research interests include cultural and theoretical engagements with abortion, the body, sexuality, post-human subjectivity and nature. And that is why it is my great pleasure to introduce you all to the Hauntology and Ecology panel at the Mindscapes conference. So this panel includes Rosalind Irving with Sunset in the Romance of the Forest and Radcliffe's Vision. Rosalind is a PhD student in the Department of English at the University of Liverpool, holding a BA in Anthropology with International Relations and an MA in Anthropology by Research, investigating archival records including memoirs, notes and court papers from India. Both her BA and MA were completed at the University of Exeter, and prior research has fostered an interdisciplinary approach blending critical discourse analysis, historical research and thick description. She's currently investigating Gothic romantic novelist Anne Radcliffe, specifically her third novel, The Romance of the Forest, and the 18th century European context, aiming to shed light on the way that Radcliffe's social, cultural and political experiences have mapped onto the plot and themes of her fiction. Next up, we have Matthew Moore with Green Futures, Ecological Entanglements in the Fiction of H.G. Wells. Matthew Moore is currently a second-year PhD student at the University of Wolverhampton. He's completed a BA Honours in English and then a Master's in English, also at the University of Wolverhampton. Last year, he began his PhD, which focuses on greening H.G. Wells and explores his novels and short stories in terms of the ecological consciousness that underpins his work, despite the fact that scholars have not really acknowledged that his work engages in ecology. Matthew Moore is the first member of his family to have had the opportunity to study at university, and has also recently published a GCSE study guide for students called The Art of Literature, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, to support them with this text so that they engage in theoretical readings. Matthew Moore also works as a full-time English teacher and teaches Key Stage 3, 4 and 5 students while he completes his PhD part-time, as he has an unending passion for academic research. So before we get into these incredible sounding papers, I have to remind you to please check out the other papers in this conference. They'll all be on the channel. Our latest publication has also gone live today, a brilliant issue on monsters, monstrosities and the inhumanities. And please don't forget to hit the like button, share the video widely and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future conferences, because we'll be holding them every year. All the links are available in the description box below. Thank you and enjoy.